Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to set limit for mobile hotspot data usage on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and you will see first option is connection. Click on connection. After click on connection, click on mobile hotspot and tree. After click on mobile hotspot and tree and turn on hotspot button and click on mobile hotspot and click on manage hotspot, manage mobile hotspot, and if you want to set limit for mobile hotspot, click on set data limit and you will see
088
after set limit,
28.
click on OK, go back to home screen. So that's how you can set limit for mobile hotspot data usage on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.